Folks, people talk about differences. You want to know differences between Thailand and the Philippines? I've been in Thailand for a fucking decade. And I can count 3 occasions where I lost power for about 30 minutes. One was when a damn big ass bolt of lightning struck a transformer like a few soys over. And within about 42 minutes, power was restored. In Thailand, you don't worry about infrastructure problems, at least in my world I don't, about water not being available or electricity not being available. I came here to the Philippines, to my little beach resort here, and the power's been out all day. I was lucky to get 1 kilo of ice and 3 cold beers. Now if I go back, there's nothing fucking cold, there is no ice, because this is more than a brownout. It's been out all fucking day. You know, a typical brownout is a few hours, it comes back, no harm, no foul. The electricity is out all day. This is my last cold beer. Folks, my friends, I got a team of folks in there helping decorate my beachfront condo for $28 a month. Yeah, got some good music going on. They're doing a great job. They're decorating my door, ceiling, the walls. I got my sign up. Goddamn, I'm in paradise right now in the Philippines. And the word paradise is very subjective. That means it's in the eye. It's like beauty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Okay? For me, you know, I used to have a fucking 4 or 5 bedroom house, 3 fucking bathrooms. I don't even fucking remember. That's been a decade ago. I had a big ass house in the States. You want to talk about success? I had a facade of looking at success. That shit did not make me fucking happy. You know what makes me happy these days? My fucking $28 per month room a few blocks back from the beach when I got no hot water. I got no electricity right now because it's been out all day. I got no refrigerator. I got no toilet that flushes. But you know what? Folks, I'm happier now in my life at 45 years old, broke, living in a $28 per month room than I was when I was living in that fucking, you know, $250,000 mansion, McMansion back in America. Now listen, I told my wife when I came here to have me some fucking fresh tobacco from the market ready to go and a cold beer. She didn't have either one. I had to take my ass to the market, get the remnants of the cold beer because the fucking power went out, and I didn't get any tobacco. But luckily I've still got these cigars left over from Thailand. But tomorrow I'm getting me fresh tobacco with the leaves that fall off the trees, and hopefully the electricity is back on where I've got some ice and some cold beer. And I'm gonna get a refresh. I've been chewing on this cigar for so damn long, it's so fucking moist it barely burns. I'll fire it back up. But like I said, I've been fucking chewing on it. Yes! Folks! Houston, we have liftoff. We have electricity back in the Philippines in northern Cebu province. Holy shit! We have electricity. Now it might not be for 5 fucking minutes, but we have electricity. Now I gotta take off and start charging all my shit. Because if it's only on for an hour, I gotta charge this shit up. Thanks for joining me, folks. The difference between the Philippines and Thailand. In the Philippines, you're gonna lose fucking power quite regularly. In Thailand, I never lose power. Alright. Baby, focus. focus on this shit. You were looking over there like the trying to get fucking chocolate. You're not gonna get a piece. You know you're gonna get a piece. Goddamn.